East as a whole. Why I say that? Because our representative, which the whole country had been elected them to be in the Lok Sabha, they passed this bill, which is against the sentimental of the Tripura people and the sentimental of the Northeast people as a whole. I would like to appeal all the people of Tripura. When I say I appeal the people of Tripura, I don't mean for those illegal migration from Bangladesh. I appeal to all the indigenous people of Tripura to fight, to stand against, and to unite as one to fight against this bill. We are here for you all, from the people of Bangladesh and the region as a whole. We are here for you. It is not the very first time that we know the history of the people of Tripura. There is a saying that even though we cannot deny that we are living in a modern world, in a globalization, we can change our lifestyle, but we cannot change our identity. If we change our identity, we will become the foreigners for the rest of our life. That's why I would like to appeal once again that we are all here for you and we will work together for the people of Tripura and for the people of the Northeast region as a whole. Last but not the least, I would like to congratulate each one of you who have came from each and every corner of Tripura. You have came here as a mark of protest, as a sign of unity. Let the government of Tripura know that the indigenous people of Tripura, they are not alone. But the people of Northeast region as a whole, they are there for you. They will fight for you together.